have these yellow sticky notes. These are the 3x3s. These actually come in an 18 pack. But I keep these around the house. I keep them in the kitchen, anywhere where quick reminders tend to pile up. So yellow, obviously the color, that's the classic cheerful yellow that immediately catches your eye. And the stack, it feels substantial right out of the wrapper. And like I said, this is actually a pack of 18. So these 3x3s have a strong adhesive. They actually stick very well on most surfaces, doors, counters, even the mirror, a monitor, without leaving any residue at all whatsoever. The paper is very quality and holds up nicely, no tearing when you peel one off, and the ink does not bleed through with a pen or even a marker. No bleed through, no anything. So, and it's a very good value. You get plenty of them for, the price. But perfect, dependable, bright, budget friendly, solid, everyday alternative to the brand name. They're really for general use. They hold their own. And I will definitely be reordering these when my stash runs out.